This is my pond, and I'd like to tell you about nitrification. I feed the fish and they poop in the pond, and that poop consists of some ammonia, NH3. There are microbes that convert the ammonia NH3 to, well, some of it gets converted to ammonium NH4 by microbes, and then still other microbes convert both of these forms into a nitrite, which would be NO2. That all takes place, well, not all of it takes place, but it takes place in this cistern here. This cistern has about 1 yard of porous gravel. It's lava rock gravel. It also this conversion also happens in the roots system near these plants. So after it's converted to a nitrite, it's then converted to a nitrate, NO3, and that's a good form of nitrogen for the plants. Well, the plants remove that from the water, and returning to the fish a clean, healthy environment. Now I'm going to take you to my earthen beds. So these are my earthen beds, and what happens is there's water flowing underneath the soil, and it returns over to this sump. Then the sump pumps it up into these two bins that are filled with the same lava rock, and it happens on a cycle 4 times a day where it pumps it up, and they get completely filled, and then it slowly drains out until the next cycle pumps it up again. So what that's doing is it's keeping these rocks aerated, and so that the microbes can live in there. And then the water drips out of here into the sump tank, and it's circulated again and again through the bottom of these grow beds here. So this is the wonderful cycle of nitrification, and this system is simply duplicating what nature does.